Now, how to get tailored advice using Chatgpt application. In this work, if you are in a conversation and you don't know what to reply, this is how to get the advice. Now here, you can see this message here. Now what you do now is to open your Chatgpt application here. Now what you do now is to first enter the person name here like this. Now here, add this prompt here, just tested me with these two dot column here. Now here, what you do now is to space it. Now enter the message here. Good. Now what you do now is to click on the send icon here. Now wait for the response. Now here you can see what the ChatGPT responds here. You can see casual and friendly. Here you can see the advice here. Now you can copy anyone which you feel that is more perfect for you. Now to copy it, what you do now is to press on the response like this. And now here you can see what it says, select text here. Now click on this select text here. Now here, go to the text you want to copy here. Now here, select it like this. And then click on copy. Now here, go back to your conversation like this. Here I'm using WhatsApp. Now here, paste it. Now here, what you do now is to send it. So that's how to get tailored advice using ChatGPT application. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. Now see you on the next video. Peace.